So good morning students, how are you? Welcome back. Today we will study about my body. Last time we finished type E, questions and answers. Have you written it down? If you have any problem, you may ask me on my number. Okay. So now we will proceed towards value-based questions. Last day we studied the story of value-based questions. Have you any problem in understanding? Today also we are repeating it. We will revise it, the story, then we will write questions and answers. Now look at the chart. This was the story, value-based questions, page number 12. The story was the students of class 5 were asked to prepare posters for the coming parent-teacher meet. They were asked to prepare a poster for the PT meet, isn't it? The teacher assigned different roles to different students. The teacher assigned different roles for different students. All of them did their work happily in a sincere and organized way. Isn't it? All students did their own work. They all helped one another. Their work was liked and praised by all the visitors. The teacher compared their work with the breathing system when she taught that topic in the class. The science teacher compared their work with breathing system because in breathing system all organs work together. Nose, then windpipe, lungs and diaphragm all work together for breathing. In the similar way, all the students of class 5 work together for making good posters for PT meet, isn't it? Somebody drew the chart, somebody colored it, and somebody pasted it, isn't it? They all together made it very nice. You can see here, this boy is making chart here. Now, we will do questions and answers. Be ready with your copy and pen. First question of value-based question. VBQ means value-based question. Page number 13. Question is, state the values displayed by the students. Values means what are the moral values of the students. Note it down, the answers. First one is unity. They showed the unity among themselves. Second, cooperation. Third, helping attitude. They have helping attitude for their work. Fourth one is sincerity. They were very sincere towards their duty. Isn't it? Like you. Organizational value. They worked in organized way. And the last one, teamwork. They all did their work in team, as a team work all together. So this is the answer of the question. State the values displayed by the students. Values means what are the qualities? What are the moral values of the displayed by the students of class 5, isn't it? Now question number 2. Have you understood? Question number 1. Now we will read question number 2. What is it? Discuss how doing work in an organized and helpful way is useful for one and all. How it is useful for all, doing any work in organized manner. Answer will be noted down in your copy. Doing work in an organized and helpful way is useful for the completion of any work, as it becomes interesting and joyful. When we work together with the help of each other, we find joy in it. Performing any work, we feel joy and we feel happiness. Isn't it? The work becomes very easier when we do it together. So, answer will be, it makes us, in organized manner, it makes us happy and joyful. Now question number 3, look at it. Why did the teacher compare their work with the breathing system? Why did science teacher compare their work with the breathing system? Answer will be, the teacher compared their work with the breathing system because the students work together like the organs of breathing system. the science teacher compared their work with with breathing system. Why? Because in breathing system, all organs of breathing system like nose, windpipe, lungs and diaphragm all work together, and in the similar way students of class 5 work together for making posters. That is why the science teacher compared it with breathing system. Am I clear now? So these are 3 questions on value based questions. How many questions are there in value based questions? 3 questions. You must note it down in your answer sheet, copy, notebook, isn't it? Fair notebook, science fair notebook. You must copy all questions and answers, including the story. Am I clear? Now we finished value based questions also, because in examination any question may be asked with value based questions also. So it is necessary to learn value based questions too, isn't it? Don't leave it. You include it in your study, isn't it? Now we will do some work in something to do. You see page number 13. Something to do. You might be seeing a chart like this. These are the blank space and this has been asked. Name of the joint in our body, hinge joint. And we will have to give the example of any appliance present in our home or in our nearby. So what is the common example of hinge joint? Hinge of the door, like this. Hinge of the door. This is the common example. This is the common example of hinge joint. And second one, we will have to give the example, common example for ball and socket joint. That will be crane. Crane is, have you seen crane? Have you seen crane? Crane do the work, putting here and there the many heavy loads, isn't it? So it has ball and socket joint for the easy movement, isn't it? So crane is having ball and socket joint. Crane is having ball and socket joint. Now we will have to give the example of pivot joint. We will have to give the example of pivot joint. Common example will be a pair of scissors. Have you seen pair of scissors? Have you seen pair of scissors? It has ball and it has pivot joint. Just look at it. Example of pivot joint. This movement is because of the pivot joint. It can move easily and cut the cloth and papers because it is having pivot joint. So common example of pivot joint is pair of scissors. Fill it up in your book and copy. Make the this chart in your copy and write everything. Okay. Last joint is gliding joint. We will have to give the common example of gliding joint. Where we are having this type of joint? Between the 2 vertebrae of our backbone. Like that. It is present in bicycle chain. It is present in bicycle chain. It is present in bicycle chain. Have you do ride in cycle? So you must have seen the chain present in the bicycle. It has many small joints. Have you seen it? Observe it. That is nothing but gliding joint. So we can give the example of gliding joint as bicycle, as the joint present in bicycle chain. So this is the important chart. You must learn it. Common example of hinge joint, hinge of the door, ball and socket joint, crane, pivot joint, example a pair of scissors, gliding joint, example bicycle chain. So in this way, we finished everything present in the lesson. If you have any other questions regarding this chapter, you may ask anytime on my WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you.